Alright you guys, so here you have it, the Andis reVITE clipper. I went and bought both models because I wanted to give you guys, my first looks on both of them, alright? So we're gonna open up the white one first. As you can see on the front, it says Andis. On the sides, it says create your way. On the back, it has that nice signature Andis logo. In the box comes with, me, a lot of useless stuff that I don't really care about. All I care about is the actual clipper, all right? These clippers right here look nice, all right? It does give you that AirPod Pros type of vibe, that Tesla type of look. So as you can see, the white one comes with the taper blade. Unfortunately, I did not know that each clipper comes with a different blade, so I went and bought the fade blade, and I really didn't even need it because I had the black ones. But as you can see, the head of the clipper detaches, so you could put on a different fade blade. Now putting the clipper down and taking a look at the rest of what's in the box, you have your essential stuff like the guards and the chargers and the oil. Now with the guards, the guard system is set up real nice. You got the 0.5, the 0, the 1, the 1.5, the 2, the 2.5, and so on. Now when you first get these clippers out of the box, the first thing you want to do is charge them up. That way you'll get the maximum potential out of the battery life. Because as you can see, the little sticker on the side that prevents you from turning them on reads power up, turn on only after battery is fully charged. Now for the people that's interested on knowing whether or not the double magnetic guard fits on this clipper, it does not. It slides up and down, it doesn't stay, and that's based off of the screws not being indented into the clipper but sits on the outside. After the clipper is fully charged, it will turn blue and will be ready for use. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna just jump right into this review. I'm not gonna do nothing extra or nothing like that. To be honest with you guys, I'm gonna be straight up out front, just give it to you straight. I don't like the clipper, alright? And here's some of the reasons why I don't like this clipper. For one, I had issues with zero gapping and closing the lever. Now, and that was only with the white one. With the white one, if I zero gap the clipper and I've pulled up on this lever, it'll just easily pop off.
It wasn't surprising. I literally texted him like 2 minutes before Jimmy knew the thing I said.
That was happening with the white one, but with the black one, I zero gap these and I don't have that problem. All right, I could pull and it actually takes some tension to come off. As far as the clipper and how it performs, it's a good clipper, don't get me wrong. The clipper is good, but it isn't anything special, you know what I mean? It isn't like your Andis Masters where you can actually hear the hair being cut off. The motor is strong. It's just a basic, Walmart type of clipper. When I tried to cut off bulk with these, I tried to, go over it and over it and over it as many times as I could, and I had to set it down, use my masters, and when I used my masters, the hair immediately came off. For it to have so much hype, for it to be Andis, I'm very disappointed in these right here. Do I see these being something special down the road? I do, but as far as right now, it's not it. This is not it. Like, this detachable head is dope. I really liked that idea, all right, with the detachable head, because I thought, ooh, one day they could put a trimmer on it, you know what I mean, and detach a trimmer on it. It'd be dope, you know what I mean, especially if these are good quality clippers. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man, these ain't it. The box it comes with, I feel like the packaging they did on point. Everything about the packaging is on point. The guards that it come with, it feel real plastic like. Like toy plastic. I can't even give the guards credit, you know what I mean? Because it just feels cheap. Other than that, man, the design of it looks good, but when you do good on a design and then the performance doesn't add up, it really kills off the whole clipper in itself, man. And I really didn't want to do this video. I really wasn't going to do the review. I was just going to do what I did on Instagram and just leave it at that, but I felt like my broader audience should really know about this clipper if they're trying to buy it, that you could go and spend your money on some Andis Masters, all right, and get a way better performance. I'm talking about way better performance out of these than, you know, the reVITEs. But yeah, man, this is not to discourage Andis for keep trying to come out with something new. I'm glad that they are still trying, but I would just really, my recommendation is get the battery life on this one. You could even call it something else, change the design, the look a little bit, use this same motor, upgrade the battery, and that could have been called the reVITE, you know what I mean? But I don't know, the ball was missed on this one, man. The ball was missed on this one. Great concept, but the performance, it's just not there, man. And I'm gonna leave it right there. I did a cut, but listen, I did, look, I did a cut, right? I didn't even want to finish the cut with the clipper. All right, I filmed cutting one person, but I didn't really want to sit here and give my clients that experience. You know what I mean? I just wanted to, you know what I mean? Because it cuts so slow. It does. Sorry, y'all. This just ain't it. I'm sorry. I'm out. Peace.